Hello traders, in this video I am going to show you how I made 58,000 profit trading Nifty Positional Expiry, and I created my position around this point, Thursday expiry. On Friday I managed my option selling positions in this volatility, and this is a small range compared to the rest of the days. And on Monday I managed this up move. These 2 days are decent. Friday and Monday are decent days, and after that the real problem started. On Tuesday there is a quick fall, and in this fall premiums shot up. ATM straddle premium shot up. You are going to see how I managed this position and how I was able to book the position. And around this point I created a small quantity, and after seeing the sideways momentum, and I booked the profit on my initial strike. So I increased the quantity Monday after market open, and after increasing the quantity you can see the volatility increased here, and the volatility increased here yesterday, and today you can see it is a straight fall. And I was able to manage all these kind of moves, and there is a quick up move also after this fall. These are not easy to manage. This is okay on this day. This is a consolidation. Option sellers can easily manage this kind of consolidation, and the range is also big. It is around 50 to 70 points range, this high to low. You are going to see how I managed my positions and was able to book 58,000 profit on my position. It will be an interesting video, and you are going to learn a lot in this video, even if you are an option buyer, option seller, futures trader. Let's get started. If you want to see this kind of videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. Hello traders, current date is 10th October and the time is 3:42 p.m. Market already closed, and today is an FT expiry, and I created a positional trade for next week expiry. And today is Thursday. Here I created a positional short straddle around 25,000 strike. I received around 340 premium. I created around 3:15 p.m. and by 3:30 that premium spiked around 8-9 points. That's okay, it's not a problem. It's running in a small loss, and I added hedges also, 1000 points away hedges at 24,000 and 26,000. It costed me around 13 points, 12 to 13 points. That's okay. I am going to hold this until I carry forward this short straddle position. I'm going to hold these hedge legs because anything can happen overnight. If it opens 100 points, 200 points, I can manage that gap down, and I'm already prepared mentally to manage that kind of gap ups and gap downs. And Nifty closed around 25,000, and it's a consolidation day today. Tomorrow if this low breaks, we can see further fall, or if this high breaks, we can see further up move. After consolidation there can be a trend, or it can consolidate further. We don't know what is going to happen tomorrow, but based on today's consolidation it can make a move on the upside or on the downside based on the breakout. If we analyze the trend, this is a pullback on this downfall. This is a pullback, just a small pullback, and it consolidated. It can break out on the higher side or on the lower side. Let's see which side it breaks out. Based on that, the trend will be decided. Let's check what is the profit I can make based on these positions. Even after adding hedges, I can make around 80,000. Let's see what happens. Even if I can capture 50-60% of the premium, that will be a good trade. Let's see what happens. If you want to see this kind of videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. Hello traders. Current date is October 11th and the time is 9:46 a.m. These positions are running in profit, more than 20 points profit. This 25,000 short straddle, Nifty is consolidating around 25,000 level. Let's check the charts. It is consolidating around this level, this high, and today's low. It is consolidating in a range. It is trying to break this level, but it is not closed below this level. That is a day before yesterday's low, and there is an important swing here. If this high breaks, we can expect further up move. And there is an important resistance around yesterday's high, 140 or 150 level. Let's see what happens. If there is any quick momentum, I'll adjust the positions, and currently it's running in a decent profit. This profit may fluctuate. Let's see what happens. Hello traders, current time is 3:42 p.m. and market already closed. Today is day 1 of the strategy. Today is Friday. Then market opened somewhere here, and it exactly closed around that level, opening level. So it's a complete sideways market. Yesterday and today is a complete sideways market. I initiated the strategy around this point, and in this volatility I was still holding without shifting my short straddle, and Nifty not even broken this high, so I don't have to change the strike. And one more thing, I'm using these pivots to easily identify the days. By using this pivots line, I can easily identify the days and I can easily see the price action of each day. So that's why I'm using these pivots, not for any other reason. Okay, let's check the positions. I haven't punched any orders and premiums decayed today, and the positions are in 12,000 profit. I haven't punched any orders, just I'm sitting on this 25,000 short straddle, and a premium decayed from 342 to 90. That means 50 points decay, and I haven't punched any orders. This is my position. That's all for today. Let's see what happens on Monday. Today I am going to trade a mid cap nifty. I am planning to trade. Let's see what happens.
Hello traders, good morning. Today is 14th October and the time is 9:10 a.m. Nifty is opening 60 points gap up around 25,000 level. Today is mid cap nifty expiry, and let's check the positional trade. Positional trade is running in profit. I created a short straddle around 25,000 and it is running in a profit of almost more than 50 points profit, combined profit. Let's see how this strategy performs and how my intraday strategy performs. Today is a Monday, day 2 of the strategy. After breaking this high, I shifted my short straddle from 25,000 to 25,100 and it is consolidating in this range. I booked a 17,000 profit on this 25,000 leg. 17,000 profit. This is a previous week's loss. It is covered, and this position is running in 1,000 profit. That's a small profit. That's okay, fine. Let's see how this nifty positional strategy goes this week, and let's check how much profit I can make out even after exiting this leg. There is a still potential to make around 60,000 on this strategy. Let's see how much of it I can capture. Hello traders, current day is October 15th and time is 9:10 a.m. It is day 3 of the positional strategy. Nifty is opening around 60 points gap up around 25,180 level, and I am holding this overnight position, and I increased my position. Yesterday I was not able to record. After changing the straddle from 25,000 to 25,100, nothing happened, and I increased my position size to 1,000 quantity, and it's in a 13 points profit. Yesterday I booked a 17,000 profit. After breaking this high, I shifted my straddle, and the remaining day it consolidated. I was looking to change the strike after breaking this high, but this high is not broken. It consolidated in this range, so I had to do nothing. Let's see what happens today, and I won't be available today, so I'm not going to trade intraday expiries this week, today, tomorrow. Let's see what happens with this position today. It's opening a 60 points gap up. That's fine. I'm okay with it. I can easily manage that kind of gap up. Let's see what happens. There is a possibility to make a 2.37 lakh based on this position sizing and the premiums. Current time is 9:30 a.m. and after breaking this high, as per my plan, I wanted to shift the strike after breaking this high, and Nifty broke this high and it is trading above this high, so I shifted my strike from 25,100 to 25,200. I received around 200 points premium. I received around 24 to 25,000 profit on this 25,100 straddle. Let's check. I booked the profit of 25,461, and this is yesterday's profit. 17,538 is yesterday's profit. I wanted to add these exact numbers on the screen, so that's why I am keeping these numbers as precisely as possible. I am going to add these values 25,461, and the total profit booked is 42,999. That is around 43,000. That means it is a 43,000. Let's see how this strategy performs. Today is a Tuesday and 2 more days are remaining, Wednesday and Thursday. Let's see how much of this premium I can take, and let's check how much profit still I can make. I can still make 1,93,000 even after booking this 25,000. I'm expecting a retest till this closing price, but I'm not expecting Nifty is going to break this low or this low or this low. These are higher lows, as you seeing the price action. It made a high here and it made a low, higher low, and it broke this high, and it again consolidated here coming into this range, and it consolidated around this range, and it gave breakout opening itself. It is a pure consolidation range, and it broke out of this range. It may retest or it may not retest, or it may consolidate here, or it can make a higher move. Let's see what the market is going to say based on the price action. Current time is 11:31 a.m. After shifting short straddle to 25,200 level, it broke this closing price, and I'm not expecting Nifty is going to break this level, but it broke this level, and the fall is severe. After breaking this closing price, the fall is severe and the premium spiked. Earlier I was in a 25,000 profit, and that 25,000 profit eroded, and at this point
I'm in 20 points loss, that is 20,000 loss. And at this point I was in a 30 to 35 points loss, that is 30,000 to 35,000 loss. And after breaking this low, I shifted my short straddle to 25,100, and I was watching these levels. It broke easily and this level broke easily. I was waiting for this level. If Nifty breaks this level, I plan to shift my straddle to 25,000, but this level is not broken decisively, so I waited. And again, if this level breaks, I am going to shift my straddle to 25,000, or else if this high breaks, I'm going to shift my straddle to 25,200. If it trades in between these two levels, I'm not going to do anything. And currently I'm in a 5 points loss, that is a 5,000 loss, and I booked a 38,000 on this strike. Let's check how much loss I booked. I booked around 37,528. Let's add this in the calculator. Previously it was 43,000 profit, 37,528, and the strategy currently running in 5,000 profit, that is 5 points profit. Currently it is running in 5 points loss. We should consider the closing strikes only. Let's see what happens. This fall eroded my entire profit, and let's check how much profit I can still make even after with the closing strikes. Even after booking this loss, there is a possibility to make 2,08,000 profit. And let's remove this strikes. There is a possibility to make 2,45,000. I'm almost at a break even with this current strategy. Let's see how this week's strategy performs. I'm not going to do anything until this high and low sustains this high and this low. Hello traders, current time is 3:56 p.m. and Nifty closed around 25,050 level. Initially I started with a 25,100 short straddle and booked a 25 points profit, that is a 25,000 profit, and I shifted to 25,200 short straddle. In this up move, in this gap up opening, I shifted my straddle after first 5 minutes candle closing. After that I was expecting a retest till closing price, but this higher low is broken. After breaking this higher low, I shifted my short straddle to 25,100, and after that I was watching this low point. This low point is not broken decisively, and whenever Nifty tried to touch this point, there is a bounce, and whenever it tried to touch, there is a bounce. There is a trend line here. If Nifty breaks this trend line, we can see further up move, or if this level is broken, 25,000 level, you can see further sell off. After shifting this strike around this point, my M2M is around 25,000 profit after closing a 25,100 short straddle. In this fall, total 25,000 profit eroded, and I was sitting on a 20,000 M2M loss. That means there is a spike of 45 points in the premium, and at this point my M2M is around 30,000 to 35,000. I'm going to play those clips, just watch it. It was a scary thing. At this point my M2M is 35 points. My M2M is minus 35,000. After that it recovered. It went into break even and small profit. After that it showed almost 10 points to 20 points loss around this point. If any candle closes below this low, I am prepared to shift the strike. If any candle closes below this low, I am prepared to shift the strike. But this 5 minutes candle also not broken. There is a quick bounce after testing this level, so I continued with the 25,100 strike, and currently I am sitting with a 21,000 M2M profit. And if I remove this loss strike, the profit will be higher. The profit is around 59,000. And one more thing is I have booked 25,000 on this 25,100 strike, so the profit will be around 35,000. By tomorrow, if the premiums are around the same point, the premium closed around 188 points. If tomorrow opening also premium is around the same point, I'll see a 35,000 profit. Currently this strategy is in 5,000 profit based on the exited legs, and M2M profit is 21,500 plus 5,000, almost 26,000. And one more thing, I added 500 points away hedges because of overnight risk, and the expiry is nearby, so I added nearby strikes, 500 points away strikes, 24,600 and 25,500, and call leg and put leg, and I spent around 10 to 11 points on these hedge legs. If there is no gap up or no big gap up or gap down, I'm going to exit these legs as soon as the market opens, and I'm going to continue with my 1000 points away hedges. And if I'm going to carry tomorrow also, I'm going to add the legs tomorrow before market closing. That's my point. Let's see what happens tomorrow, and let's check how much premiums are left in terms of max profit. Let's remove these hedge legs. There is a still potential to make 2,03,000 even after booking this loss. Let's remove these losing strikes, and there is a potential to make 2,41,000, and the M2M profit is 63,000. Even if I am able to close 50% of the profit, that's great for this expiry. Let's see what happens.
Hello traders, current date is October 16th and the time is 9:10 a.m. Nifty is opening around 50 point gap down around 25,000 level, and 25,000 is an important support. Yesterday Nifty bounced multiple times from this level. This position is running in a 27 points profit. There's 25,100 a short straddle. Let's see how this positional trade performs today. If Nifty is going to break this low, yesterday's low, I'm going to shift the short straddle from 25,100 to 25,000, and if this level sustains, I'll be in the trade as soon as this low and this high are not broken. Let's see what happens today. Current time is 10:03 a.m. and Nifty opened around this low and quickly bounced from this level, 25,000 level, and it touched this previous swing high, and this is a resistance and there is a trend line, and we should consider this as a resistance and this as a support. If this resistance breaks, we can see further up move. If this support breaks, we can see further down move. Until it trades in this range, nothing is going to happen. And currently I'm sitting in 51,000 profit, that is more than 50,000 profit, and there is a still 167 or 165 points premium left in this short straddle. Let's see how much of this is going to decay. I'm expecting it is going to decay till 130 points. That means by end of the day I can capture another 30 points if it stays in this range. I exited these hedge legs as soon as the market opened and booked a loss of 2 points. And if I'm going to carry this position overnight, I am going to add the hedge legs again based on the premiums. Hello traders, current time is 3:58 p.m. and market closed. After this pullback, Nifty fell almost 200 points in a straight line. I shifted my short straddle from 25,100 to 25,000 in this fall. And if there is any pullback and if it breaks the low again, I was looking to shift a strike, but this low is not broken, so I was holding this 25,000 short straddle. Nifty consolidated around this level and it made a lower high. When compared with this high, it made a lower high and it made a new low. If this low breaks tomorrow, we can see further sell off, and I am holding my position 25,000 short straddle. I shorted it around 168 points and it closed around 135 points. Let's see what happens tomorrow. If there is no big gap down or big gap up, we can see 30-40 points decay in a first 30 minutes or first 1 hour. And the current M2M profit is 58,000. Let's check exited leg profit. I booked a profit of 32,380 on this strike. Let's add this. This is yesterday's profit, and I am going to add 32,380. Currently this strategy is in 37,851 profit. Let's see how much I can capture tomorrow. And one more thing, I exited edge legs. It is approximately 2 points loss, so I am removing that from this overall profit. The current M2M profit is 35,851. Let's see what happens tomorrow, and let's check what is the current M2M profit for these open strikes. Current M2M profit is 29,755, and there is a potential to make 1,62,000 overall on these complete legs. And before market close, I added hedge legs 400 points away. I am maintaining a 25,000 short straddle, and I added a 24,600 PE and 25,400 CE. I added it around 5 points. This is trading around 3 rupees and this is trading around 2 rupees. I used 5 points for these hedge legs. As soon as the market opens, I am going to exit these strikes. I will hold these 1,000 points away hedges, and I am not going to add any new position tomorrow. If it breaks this low, I am going to exit.
If it breaks this low or this high, I am going to exit the strategy and I am going to close for tomorrow. That's all. If Nifty trades in between these two levels, I am going to hold the position. If it breaks any of these levels, I am going to exit the short straddle. I am going to shift to the next expiry. That's all for today. Hello traders, current is October 17th and the time is 9:12 am. Today is Thursday. Nifty is opening 56 points gap up around 25,030 level. Small gap up, that's not a problem. 25,000 short straddle closed around 131 points and I'm in a 31 points profit. There is still potential to make 1,30,000 on this position, and as soon as the market opens I am going to exit these positions if there is any value left. If this previous day's high breaks, then only I will shift the strike, or if the low breaks, then only I will shift the strike. Otherwise I am going to sit on the position for the entire day. If any of these levels are breaking, I am going to change the strike or entirely exit if the premium is very low. That is my plan for today. Current time is 10:13 am. Nifty broke this level, so I exited this 25,000 short straddle, and after breaking this level the fall is so quick, then the premiums spiked so quickly, and I'm sitting on a 45,000 profit in intraday on this strike, 25,000 strike, and in that fall 45,000 profit eroded, and I exited at 22,000 including the hedge leg costs, and I tried to create 24,900 short straddle, and I exited instantly after seeing the fast momentum. So this is a break-even strike or cost. I exited this at cost, and if I add this to the previous profit, this strategy is in a 35,851 profit. I'm going to add 22,141 to this strategy. So the total profit that I'm closing this strategy is 57,993. That is approximately 58,000. Okay, that's fine. Instead of 250 quantity, if I punched 1,000 quantity on Friday, the profit will be different because I booked a 72 points profit on my initial leg. So if I used 1,000 quantity while creating the strategy, my overall profit will be in a different stage. And if I consider this position, I created 1,000 quantity around 240 premium, so I captured around 25% of the premium. By end of the day, I'm going to create a next week expiry strategy. Currently Nifty is trading around 24,800. I'm expecting it may consolidate around this 24,800 level. Let's see what happens. And this strategy performed well on Friday. This is a Friday. It consolidated in a small range. On Monday there is a breakout and it consolidated around this 25,100 level. These two are a good days. And on Tuesday the fall is fast and quick. Premium spiked on this day, and yesterday also. Wednesday the fall is quick and fast. Premium spiked on this day also, and the up move is also fast and quick, and again the fall. This up move and fall not made a much of a difference, but this fall is so severe, and it spiked premiums. And today also this fall is so fast, and almost all of these 1 minute candles are red candles, except 5-6 candles, 5-6 1 minute candles, except all are red candles. If you check it in 1 minute's time frame, here 2 candles, here 1 candle, here one more 3 candles, 6 candles, and 7 out of this fall, 7 1 minute candles are green and rest all are red. Here also if we consider 8 green candles till touching 24,800 from 25,020, almost 200 points fall, just 8 green candles, 1 minute green candles. If anyone traded bearish position after breaking this low, they would be in a decent profit. Okay, that's all for this current expiry week. I made 58,000 profit current week. Let's see what happens next week. I hope you have learned something from this live trading video. If you wanted to see this kind of videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications.